planning attorney, Neria Menendez. As I mentioned in the introductory video, I am of the opinion that wills are insufficient for purposes of estate planning. One huge reason for this is that a will is ineffective for the management and/or preservation of your assets. Now, I know that the difference between distribution, management, and preservation can seem irrelevant, but perhaps the best way to make my point is by asking additional questions. For example, how would your assets be managed during your lifetime in the event you lose capacity? What about tax planning and tax minimization? Would you want that? What about asset protection for you and for your beneficiaries? What does this all mean? Well, let's say you want your spouse and your children to inherit all your assets. What if, after you pass away, your spouse remarries? This could jeopardize your children's inheritance. And speaking of your children, are they really ready to receive your assets? What do I mean by that? I will note that in Florida, minors cannot own property valued over $15,000. So any significant wealth to minors would require the courts to be in control. And assuming that your kids are at least 18 years of age, are they financially mature enough to inherit the fruit of your life's work? If they are, do your children have creditors that could garnish or lien their assets? Or are your children facing divorce that could jeopardize them losing up to half of the inheritance to divorce? Do your children have any addictions, drugs, alcohol, gambling, excessive spending, that will not only blow away all you have worked so hard for, but could also put your children in greater danger? Do any of your children, or a beneficiary for that matter, have special needs that entitle them to receive government benefits? If so, you could jeopardize them receiving government benefits by making them a beneficiary without properly planning. And there are lots of other good questions that could arise depending on your specific facts and circumstances. But my number one reason why a will won't work is that to distribute your assets, you still have to bring a will to a court for administration. The judicial process is known as probate, also known as a nightmare. Be sure to watch the Probate 101 video where we discuss about probate a little bit further. So a will is most likely not what you really want. There has to be a better way, and there is. Visit our website to register for a webinar where we can tell you all about proper planning and how your estate can be handled to avoid these pitfalls. If you like this video, please share, like, and if you want more videos about estate planning, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when the next video is released. Thank you for watching and see you soon.